Hey everyone, what's going on? This is George from Data Academy. Welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create and manage virtual environments using venv in Python. Okay, let's dive right in. So first of all, let us do this. This helps us confirm the environment we are currently in, because in a moment we are going to create a new virtual environment and we want to make sure the new virtual environment is different from this. And right now we're using Python from Anaconda. So really this is because we are in this base Anaconda environment. So now let us create the new virtual environment by doing this. And here I'm going to provide my new virtual environment's name, which is a test_inf. And if we do that, the virtual environment is created. So what has happened under the hood, if you check now, you see that there is this new folder that's being created corresponding to this new environment. So in order for us to be able to activate the new environment, we can do source and then test_inf bin and then activate. So what this is doing is we want to run this activate script from this new environment. If we do that, we see the new environment has been activated because we can see this new environment name within parentheses. So now if we check the Python version again, we see that's perfect because Python now is from this new virtual environment test_inf. Okay, so what if we want to install a new package in this new environment? So we can do that very simply like this: pip install numpy. Let's say that's the package we want to install. And then that's how you install a package. And if you want to uninstall it, then you can just do pip uninstall and then the package name, just like that. And we're going to confirm here. Okay. And the other thing that's very useful is pip list. This lists all the packages that are installed, also including the default ones. So these two, they're always going to show up here. But right now, because we installed numpy and we uninstalled it, so right now it's showing literally nothing other than these two default ones. Okay, so sometimes we may want to install a specific package with a specific version, and we can do that by simply providing the version number. So for example, what if we want to install numpy version 1.18? So that's the syntax. So if we do that, then we have that specific version installed. And let's say we want to install this numpy to the latest version, then we can do pip install. But now we're going to say -- upgrade and then numpy. So this is going to upgrade our numpy installed. So once this is done, we can say pip list again, and there you go. We can see numpy is now having this version number. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how to install multiple packages. So we can simply do the same thing, except now we are going to provide multiple package names here. So let's say we want to install matplotlib plus pandas. So we can simply do it like this. So once this is done, we are going to check what's installed there by doing this pip list again. And there you go. Now you can see matplotlib in here and also pandas. So sometimes you also want to store or save the dependency list, i.e. everything, all the information in here into a file, so that in the future, if you decide to reinstall everything, or maybe you want to recreate the environment, you can do so. So you can achieve that by doing pip freeze, and then you provide the file name. So let's say we're going to call this requirements.txt. And now if you check, you can see there's this new file here. And if you show the content of the file, you can see that's exactly the dependencies as we showed here. Okay, so now let's say we are done with the environment. We want to deactivate it. So we can do that by saying deactivate. That's it. And then there you go. You see we are out of the environment now. So what if we want to delete the environment? Well, we can simply delete the folder that was created, and that can be done like this. So rm meaning remove, and then we're going to remove everything including the files, and we are going to delete this folder like this. So if we do that, you see the folder is gone and the environment is gone. But now if we want to recreate the environment, we can basically do the same thing as before, but now we need to reinstall all the packages. But first of all, let us recreate the environment like this, and also let us activate the environment like this. Okay, so now we are in this new environment again. And now if we show what is in this environment, again, there is nothing, right? So remember, we did create this requirements.txt. So now this is going to be handy. So we can reinstall everything by doing pip install -r requirements.txt, and then everything will be reinstalled. And we are going to confirm that in a moment by doing pip list again. Okay, so let's do that again. And now you can see everything has been installed again. All right, that's everything. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.